understand, I was watching CNN earlier tonight. They're like, if you're out, you're going to get a certificate. If you're out, there's no reason why you should be out.
No, not at all. No.
We know oftentimes things
Maybe
like that are forecast, and it doesn't really turn out to be as bad as we think. But
But they predicted it.
It's going to actually be worse. You can see the scenes there late tomorrow evening into Sunday when the cleanup begins across the Northeast. They're getting heavy winds and snow blowing around right now, and it's going to continue for the next few hours right on through the overnight period. On live Doppler 13 radar, watching that storm slowly move its way into the northeastern part of the country. The snow has already stopped across western Pennsylvania, but heavy snow across eastern Pennsylvania, New York, all throughout New England. Heaviest snow right now going on between New York and Boston with those gusty winds out there blowing the snow around, limiting your visibility. Here's some snowfall amounts for you so far over the past 8 hours. 10 inches in Boston, 11 in New York City, and Staffordville, Connecticut, 16 inches of snow has already come down. And in Manchester, Connecticut, they're reporting 18.5 inches of snow in the past 6 hours. We have some heavy snow that's going to continue for the overnight period. Up in the mountainous areas of the Northeast, up to 3 feet of snow is going to be likely tonight through the day tomorrow. That is why those blizzard warnings have been extended. We've got snow falling at the rate of 2 to 4 inches per hour, sustained winds 30 to 40 miles per hour. Winds are gusting up to 70 miles per hour, including hurricane force winds gusting right now in the Boston area, so strong winds all up and down the East Coast. Meanwhile, here at home, our next round of precipitation will come in the form of some rain. We'll see about a ½ inch of rainfall Sunday into Monday across the western half of the state. Across east central Indiana, about a ¼ inch of rain is going to be likely. In addition to our rain over the weekend, our temperatures are going to go on the way up. We'll find highs near 50 on Saturday and Sunday, but next week we're going to cool things down, and we'll see more snow coming our way by the middle of next week. Right now, skies are partly cloudy here in the downtown area. The temperature 31 degrees, north wind creating a wind chill at 23. The high temperature up to 38 degrees today after yesterday's high temperature in the 50s. Overnight will cool down to a low temperature 22. And in the hour by hour look at your Saturday, warming through the 20s in the morning up to the freezing mark with sunshine by 11 o'clock. We get above freezing on Saturday afternoon. At 2 o'clock, the temperature 36 degrees with a 4 o'clock reading at 39. We'll stay dry during the day on Saturday, but here comes our rain coming in on Sunday across central Indiana. Some scattered showers by midday on Sunday, then some heavier rain coming up on Sunday afternoon. That'll continue right on through our Sunday night. So in your Sunday planner at noon, the temperature at 46 degrees, milder with that rainfall on Sunday afternoon, with a high temperature coming in at 51. And our 7-day, it was really amazing to watch that tornado sit on the ground for about 30 minutes, a very wide storm, about 1.25 miles wide. It struck south of Oklahoma City. Moore's about 55,000 people, so it's about the size of Greenwood. A tornado first affected Newcastle, then moved up through Moore, and now making its way across the severe weather, I should say, making its way across the state. It sat on the ground a very long time, packing those winds. We estimate from the damage in the pictures I saw there, right around 200 miles or maybe even higher, making it an EF5 tornado. Take a look at the scenes of all the devastation going on down across Oklahoma. That system is eventually going to give us some rain here at home. We've got a few scattered showers going on here across central Indiana, but what's going on with our weather pales in comparison to what's going on farther down to the south. I'll take you in a little bit closer on live Doppler 13 radar, show you some scattered showers going on here in the city, some light rainfall from Sheridan on up toward Tipton, heavier rainfall back to our west across Putnam County from Bainbridge on over toward Newcastle, make that on toward Rockville, just north of Terre Haute over in west central Indiana. They've got the showers and storms, but the big story, what's going on down in Oklahoma. Now for us here at home, we're going to see a slight risk for some severe weather across central Indiana for tonight. Here's a system that's causing all the stormy weather, the showers and storms down to our south. We're getting a couple of showers going on to our west across Indiana, across west central Indiana. That's where the greatest risk for any heavy weather is going to happen tonight. We do have a slight risk for severe storms across our state. We'll be watching out for the possibility of some strong storms are developing not only tonight across central Indiana, but also for the next couple of days. John?
All right, thank you, Chris. We continue to follow the developing story in Oklahoma City now. A big tornado has touched down there, several suburbs affected. A lot of people affected as well.
Yeah, in fact, I was born and lived there right up until 4th grade, and I can tell you, we know what to expect in Tornado Alley. They're used to it down there.
They're used to it, but this is going to be a historic type storm. They had one touch down there in 1999 that wiped out the town of Moore. Estimated winds with that storm at that time were 318 miles per hour. And this storm, part of the problem was it sat on the ground for about a half hour, over a mile wide, just doing damage to everything in its path. So it was a very devastating storm. Been tracking down there over the course of this afternoon. There you see the picture pictures there of all the debris left behind. Think of the damage you had in Henryville and multiply that over several miles, and this town is going to take a while to recover from this storm. Here's what it looked like on radar over the past couple of hours. We saw the first tornado touchdown in Newcastle, just south of Moore. Moore is about the size of Greenwood on the south side of Oklahoma City, and you see the storm lifting off to the northeast. The very powerful storms have moved on through. For us here at home, we're going to have a slight risk for severe storms over the course of this evening. Have a few scattered showers on live Doppler 13 radar right now, but that's all we have to deal with in terms of rainfall at the moment. Right now, we've got plenty of cloud cover out there. Temperature 82 degrees, so it turns out to be a nice warm day with a south-southwest wind at 16 miles per hour, relative humidity at 58%. Well, we'll also have a slight risk for severe storms during the day tomorrow across central Indiana. A little piece of energy from that storm back out west going to start to move our way. We'll begin our day with a mix of clouds and sunshine. It's in the afternoon we'll start to see the showers and storms firing up back to our west, making their way across central Indiana. Some heavy rainfall is going to be likely at times tomorrow afternoon into tomorrow evening. So in your Tuesday planner, 8 o'clock temperature 72, but a quick warm up around 80 at noon. Showers and thunderstorms are likely tomorrow. We'll find winds from the southwest gusting up around 25 miles per hour, along with that risk for severe weather. We'll also watch out for the possibility of more strong storms during the day on Wednesday across Indiana as the rest of the energy with that storm system starts pushing this way. It's a strong cold front that's going to eventually make its way across the state, giving us 2 days with this possibility of severe storms on Tuesday and Wednesday with highs near 80, and then we'll stay with some lingering showers during the early part of the day on Thursday. This will be the last of the energy associated with that storm system moving on through. So we'll keep wet weather in the forecast tomorrow for Wednesday, right on through the day on Thursday, and then some good news for the remainder of the week heading into the weekend. Things look nice and dry for us, along with some milder temperatures and lower relative humidity, so our weather is going to improve. In our 7-day extended forecast, we'll watch out for the stormy weather tomorrow, the high at 83, on Wednesday the high at 78. Some rain is likely also early on Thursday with a high at 72. Then for Friday and Saturday, sunny skies with highs near 70. And right now things look pretty good for race day sunshine with a high temperature 73. Another chance of rain coming our way on Monday. Give you one more live look at live Doppler 13 radar right now. There's a devastation down in Oklahoma with the storms moving on through. And for us here at home, just a few scattered showers going on for us, so we'll see a slight chance of rain coming up over the course of
And tracking the risk for severe weather here. Meteorologist Chris Wright is following storms on live Doppler 13 radar.
From Indiana's news leader, Eyewitness News at 5 o'clock starts now.
And we're tracking storms on live Doppler 13 radar right now. A line of heavy rain and lightning is heading into Indianapolis just in time for the evening rush hour. Good evening, everyone. I'm John Stair.
And I'm Andrea Moorhead. Let's get straight to our SkyTrack Chief Meteorologist Chris Wright with the very latest on where those storms are the strongest and where they're headed next here in central Indiana. Chris.
Yeah, Andrea and John, the heaviest rainfall going on just to our west across Hendricks County, the darker red area between Avon and Brownsburg. That's where the heaviest rain is coming down right now. So let's get in a little bit closer. We've got some wet weather going on from County Road 200 farther north up to County Road 225 just south of Brownsburg. Heavy rainfall making its way now, getting ready to move into Claremont and affect the Indianapolis Motor Speedway. Farther north, more heavy thunderstorms are going on up through Boone County. Light rainfall in Lebanon, about around East Road 550 south. Some heavier rainfall between Whitestown and Fayette. Farther north, more scattered showers are going on. This rain moving off to the northeast about 20 miles per hour. It's part of a larger line. We've got a cold front that's moving this way. So we're going to see the possibility of severe storms across Indiana this evening as this cold front moves on through. A better chance of showers and storms are going to be likely for us. Future Track 13 going to keep that rain threat going on through the evening hours. A few isolated thunderstorms out there, and watch out for the possibility of some strong storms, especially east of 31 and north of I-69. Coming up in the SkyTrack 13 forecast, more on this rainfall threat and how it's going to affect us for tonight and through the day tomorrow.
The race. Well, are we winning the race when it comes to this weather? Of course, we're watching severe storms possibly here in central Indiana.
Maybe across east central Indiana tonight. We'll see the possibility of some strong storms out there. Not very many storms, but where they are, the rain is coming down very heavy across central Indiana. We saw a mix of clouds and sunshine and some scattered storms today. And right now, the heaviest rainfall making its way from Hendricks County into northwestern Marion County and making its way into northern Marion County right now. You see that heavy thunderstorm cell up in Pike Township on through Washington Township. We had some heavy rainfall make its its way through Hendricks County, but now we're seeing it lifting farther north with everything moving to the northeast rather quickly, about 30 miles per hour. We also have thunderstorms up in Tipton County around 500 south on up toward 200 south up in Tipton County. Put our storm tracker on the rainfall that's making its way across our state right now. We'll take it out for you into Noblesville in 11 minutes. It'll be also in Fishers in 11 minutes. In 24 minutes, we'll see heavy rainfall in Elwood, and in 46 minutes, we'll see some heavy rain in Alexandria. The greatest risk for any severe weather across central Indiana tonight really pared that severe weather outlook down basically from Indy to Kokomo and over toward Muncie. In the area where the storms are going on right now, a couple of them would push out some gusty winds 40 to 50 miles per hour and the possibility of some small hail. Look at the dark clouds we have just north of us here downtown with that heavy rainfall now making its way through Pike and Washington Township. 74 degrees right now. The winds have been strong today from the south-southwest at 18 miles per hour. We saw a very nice warm day thanks to those southwest winds. We saw temperatures in the middle 70s. 70 for the high this afternoon after a low temperature at 64. For tonight down to 58 with some scattered showers and thunderstorms likely for us. A southwest wind at 10 to 20 miles per hour blowing the rain around across central Indiana. The good news is tomorrow some lingering showers across the state, but not expecting strong storms during the day tomorrow. That severe weather threat will be with us for tonight, and then after that some tapering off of the showers during the afternoon tomorrow. So in your Thursday plan, a rain is likely early on. 8 o'clock temperature at 59, 63 at noon, and a 5 o'clock temperature at 66 degrees. Looking ahead to your Friday across central Indiana, we'll see a mix of clouds and sunshine, more sunshine than anything else according to Future Track 13 on Friday. So a nice cool day, 8 o'clock temperature 45 degrees. So a bit cool down back behind the cold front, the high temperature staying in the 60s for a second day coming up on Friday afternoon. And our 7-day extended forecast will see it mild and dry for this weekend, and a chance of showers and storms comes our way early next week. It looks good for the race this weekend. Sunshine on Friday, Saturday, and Sunday. In the 60s on Friday, back in the 70s over the weekend with a 20% chance of rain coming up on Sunday. We'll see isolated storms coming up on Monday, then stronger storms are likely on Tuesday and Wednesday with highs
Indiana's news leader. Eyewitness News at 5 o'clock starts now.
Well, here we go again. Late afternoon thunderstorms are now fired up across central Indiana. Good evening. I'm Andrea Moorhead.
And I'm John Stair. Look at this. A lot of red, a lot of orange and lightning on the radar tonight. And Live Doppler 13 is showing us where it's pouring right now. Our chief meteorologist, Chris Wright, is tracking the storms. Chris?
Yeah, John and Andrea, each evening this week we've had those late afternoon, early evening strong thunderstorms going on. They got going a little bit earlier today, and they're now making their way into east central Indiana. That's where the heaviest rain is coming down right now. Have had a couple of isolated showers and strong thunderstorms make their way across Marion County. Now the heaviest rainfall we have on radar down in northern Shelby County along I-74 east from 800 north down to 100 north, just north of Shelbyville. These storms are moving off to the southeast at 30 miles per hour. Elsewhere, more thunderstorms going on from Anderson and over toward Middletown. Heavy rainfall north of Newcastle into the Richmond-Centerville area, and we're also getting some rain all across Union County back into Rushville. Heavy rainfall in Rush County as well. We're watching the showers and storms move away from us. They're approaching Shelbyville right now. They'll be there in 12 minutes. They'll be in St. Paul in 34 minutes, and about an hour till that rainfall makes its way into Greensburg. We're going to stay with scattered showers and storms over the next couple of hours. It's been a warm, humid day of weather with a high temperature in the middle 80s, and in the hour-by-hour look at your evening, we'll cool things down to the 70s. By 7 o'clock, the temperature is 78 degrees. 11 o'clock, temperature at 72. Only a slight chance of an isolated storm this evening. But we're not done with rainfall yet. Rain will affect your weekend plans. Details on that coming up in the SkyTrack 13 forecast.
Chris joins us now with the rain coming through town.
We got some showers and storms out there. The good news is we're not going to have severe weather tonight like we've had the past couple of nights across central Indiana, and it's not going to be a late night of severe storms or strong storms across Indiana. The rain we're getting right now going to be tapering off between now and 8 o'clock. It's now making its way into east central Indiana, and these are some pretty strong thunderstorms dumping a quarter to a half inch of rain as they moved across Hendricks County and Marion County earlier this afternoon. Now the heaviest rainfall on radar down in Shelby County along I-74 from Clover Village on down through Brent Woods, those communities just north of Shelbyville. Heavy rain right now around East 200 North over in eastern Shelby County. Over in east central Indiana, more showers and storms going on. This is Henry County, north of Newcastle. More rainfall from Hagerstown to Richmond over in Wayne County, and some scattered showers and storms in Rushville right now on down through Connorsville. Heavy rainfall in Fayette County. Been watching this rain kind of pop up rather quickly and move off to the southeast. More rainfall will be in Westfield in 16 minutes, Carmel in 26 minutes, and just about 28 minutes heavy rainfall in Cicero. If it holds together, it'll get to McCordsville in about 53 minutes. Watch these storms blow up in the warm, humid air we had across central Indiana this afternoon, and that's going to continue to be the case for us for this weekend. We'll keep at least a threat of showers and storms in the forecast. So if you're going to the Spirit of Monticello Festival up in White County, take the rain gear along with you. We'll find temperatures in the lower 70s, so a little bit cooler this weekend. And the bicentennial celebration gets started in Connersville tomorrow. We're going to run about 10 days. Temperatures will be in the middle 70s with a chance of rain coming up over the weekend. But I don't think the weekend is going to be a washout, so enjoy all the big events going on across our town. A mix of clouds and sunshine right now. The temperature 77 degrees with a northwest wind at 5 miles per hour. The high up to 85. Then the rain came in and cooled things down rather quickly, and now we're seeing those temperatures starting to rise once again. We'll cool down to 63 tonight with a chance for an isolated storm and a west wind at 5 to 10 miles per hour. Future Track 13 shows a dry start to your Saturday, but scattered showers and thunderstorms will be likely for the mid-morning hours right on through the afternoon. It is not going to be a complete washout of a day, but once those showers and storms pop up, they'll quickly have you running inside for a little while as they pass on through. In your Saturday planner, 8 o'clock temperature 68, temperatures in the 70s for your Saturday afternoon with a northwest wind at 10 miles per hour. For your Sunday, the rain gets going earlier in the day. It's going to be a little bit more widespread during the day on Sunday, especially across the southern half of the state. Those yellow dots indicating some heavier downpours that we could see during the day on Sunday. In your Sunday planner at noon, the temperature 72 with a 5 o'clock temperature at 75. Going to keep that rain threat going for the early part of next week and late into next week as well. It looks like maybe by the 4th of July, we'll get back to dry weather. In our 7-day extended forecast, a chance for scattered thunderstorms coming up on Saturday and Sunday with highs in the 70s. Then we see a bit of a warm-up up near 80 with the chance of rain coming up on Tuesday and Wednesday. For the 4th of July on Thursday, sunshine at 82, and for Friday, partly cloudy with a high of 86.
All right, Chris, thank you.